on channel 6.
Public warnings through potentially dangerous situations. Specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 10 a.m. and 2 of each Wednesday.
Darn radio.
If there is a threat of severe
Oh, it's on channel 2.
reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning location. This variability